was placed in the foster care system in various treatment centers.
Just really had a hard time trying to find my place.
Really started to, slack off, thinking, the whole bad boy thing was, the thing to do.
I was pregnant when I was 16 and dropped out of high school. I was a single mother by the time I was 17.
I used to think of the future and I would just get depressed and, I wasn't really sure what I was going to do.
Media Bridge equips youth at risk with new skills and a new perspective of their future.
People might have a creative side to themselves, but it's a matter of unlocking it, and I guess this is what Media Bridge is for.
I heard about Media Bridge through foster care, and I thought it was a good opportunity to further my education in graphic design and kind of tie it into music business.
I had to use new abilities that I didn't before, and skills that I didn't think I had.
It's just amazing that somebody came up with Media Bridge for young designers.
Media Bridge takes the creativity of youth and combines it with the experience of professionals.
Here at Media Bridge, I'm learning how to use digital design tools that I can take to my future careers.
So I'm learning the basics of graphic design, multimedia design also. This is something that I wanted to do, something that I want to get into. It keeps me busy, it keeps me doing things I shouldn't be doing.
What I'm hoping to learn in the Media Bridge program is just a kind of foundation for my future career, just to progress myself, and I hope that this will help me do that.
Media Bridge and the people here have just shown me that I just have the potential to do so much more.
Media Bridge has proved to be successful in making a difference in the lives of these at-risk youth. And because of companies like the Light Group donating computers and equipment, we're able to give them instruction and teach them skills that will make them more marketable in the graphic design field.
I didn't have the best past. That really doesn't define who I am as a person. I'm very motivated and determined, and I really feel that being part of this program will really help me achieve my goals.